Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again. Got the dog over here. I mean, by the title of the video, I think you guys know what's coming. Toolbox. Already kind of started going through it. So let's go check it out. Alright, so here she is. Just got it in yesterday. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Do we build this thing? It's an automatic 2.0 turbo, front wheel drive. See under the hood. So I got it for a steal. That's the whole reason why I picked this thing up. So I got it for a steal. Leather interior. Interior's very good condition. But the problem is the turbo, guys. So I started working on it already. Got the air box out. And I'm starting to take off the turbo. And I want to replace it, so I'm not sure if I should just do a stock turbo or upgrade it. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. So it has a decent amount of room in the back. You know what I mean? I wouldn't mind using this thing maybe to drive Lyft or to drive Uber. Let me know what you guys think. Build the perfect Uber car. Fun to drive, good amount of horsepower, and it can make you money. Or just fix it and sell it. Alright, guys. So, let me know what you guys think. Picked it up for a steal, so I figure why not, right? Why not?